In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from BangBet app. So if you have been receiving a lot of annoying notifications from this app, then let me show you how you can stop them for once and for all. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, to be able to do this, you'll need to go ahead and look for the app information page. To get or to access app information page, go to settings. And from settings, go ahead and look for this option called apps. Now for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From here, look for the option called manage apps. On your phone, it might be written more apps or all apps. Go ahead and tap on it. And this will list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Go ahead and look for your app. And as you can see, my BangBet app is here. Alternatively, you can as well search for your app using the search function here. Once you locate your app, tap on it, and you'll see we have the app information page here, and here is where we're going to adjust or to make our settings. Now, if getting to this page is quite tedious, let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go and locate your app, and then long press on it, and you'll see this option called App Info. If you tap on it, you will again be able to get to the app information page. From this, go under the section called permissions, and you'll be able to see this option called notifications. As you can see, currently they are turned on, and that's why you are receiving a lot of notifications. So you can decide and turn off each and every notification here. Alternatively, you can just turn all of them at once when you toggle off this option called show notifications. Once you have done that, you'll never again receive any pop-up notification from this app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.